This lovely necklace from Brilla just arrived. I had to do a video for you so that you could see how pretty it is. The heart has crystals, Swarovski crystals that go all the way around in it, and it has a beautiful blue Swarovski elements crystal that is so interesting. I want to turn it so you can see what it does. You can see where the blue is. I'm going to pick it up. You can see the size. But look, it's clear when you lift it up. So it actually shows the color of the clothes underneath that you've got underneath the necklace, and then it picks up the blue. So it goes clear to blue. Isn't that pretty? And I know my granddaughters, they would sit here and play with this all the way through church. But it is a clear crystal that has a blue backing. Here's the back of it, so you can see. There's the back of the necklace. And it comes on a necklace with an extender so that you can change the length to whatever you need to go with your outfit. See, there's the extender part. You've actually got quite a bit of length that you can change the necklace to, the length of the necklace. Anyway, isn't that pretty? It's like a magic necklace where you can change it from blue to clear. There's the clear and back to blue. That is gorgeous. And my granddaughter is going to love this necklace.